Hello, this is Mark Mitchell from Wizard Strategy here with another review of where to buy dealer locator for a type of product, building material, and today we're going to look at water heaters and see what I saw in the world of water heaters, how easy or hard they make it to figure out where can I buy your water heater. So we'll jump over right now and we'll start out here with which brand? Oh, we're going to start with Rheem. So here I'm seeing now Rheem. The benefit they have is they are in primarily water heaters. They aren't trying to sell us 8 different products. And so here I can see sustainability, careers, contact partners. Okay, find a pro right there. I mean, okay, this is great. So let's see what happens when I say find a pro with Rheem. And so here I was, okay, I'm looking for water heater. That's fine. Easy enough. And now there, see what happens here. We found 6 within my zip code. All right, so that's good. So we got Bernie's Plumbing and Heating. Boy, I bet that would make a great t-shirt, Bernie's Plumbing and Heating. Centennial Plumbing and Heating. Goodfellas. EGMS LLC, whatever that is, A to Z Plumbing Services, Hot Water Now, Littleton, love that name. So let's go back up and take a look. So that's nice. They recognize I'm going to want a pro to help me, right? And they found 6, and that's good. And it says Pro Plumber is a prestigious program for high performance Rheem partners. That doesn't mean anything to me as a consumer, that sentence. Okay. Now I take a look at Bernie's here, and it's Bernie's Plumbing and Heating, and it tells me it's a 1.5 miles away. Once again, I don't really care how far away they are. I'm just looking, can they come and service me? And so all I have here is a phone number, okay, to call them. I can't link to their website. I don't know anything more than there's a phone number. And if I call that phone number, Rheem is no longer involved. It's kind of like Rheem said, okay, good luck, Mark. Good luck with purchasing. We hope that Bernie doesn't try to sell you a competitor. And we'll have no idea whether or not all the work we did to draw you and to us and make you prefer Rheem has paid off. Same thing with Centennial. I just have a phone number. Goodfellas now, all of a sudden I get a bit more, and that's kind of strange. Book now, learn more. Okay, a pro site. Now, why is Goodfellas listed as number 3? Okay, I don't, I may not get this far down here. And it says pro site. I wonder when I click on pro site, what happens here? Okay, takes me to a landing page, which looks like I'm still within Rheem. And so they are featuring Rheem here, and I kind of get a feeling about, okay, I want to do business with them. I want to go back again here and see what happens. Does learn more take me to the same page? Now this one, it's interesting why they have, because I guess on one learn more, they took me, looks like, to the plumber's website, and here I'm staying on the Rheem site, which is where you want me to stay, right? So you now know that I have, that I've clicked on this, and I'm now learning more about them. Unfortunately, they haven't completed a pro profile here, but I can book now, I can call now. And I can apply for financing if there's special offers, featured reviews. They've got a great start here. They could do so much more with this, both to help number one, to help their sales through their contractors like Goodfellas. And they could do more with this by completing the profile, telling me more about Goodfellas, and then when I click on book now, I just want to see what happens here. So now you're giving me choices: self-service booking, live web chat booking. Okay. I really don't, what can you do for me? So once again, I wanted to book a time, and now I'm going into a chat box. So I'm not sure I'm not sure how that's working for me. So I think Rheem here is off to a great start. I think they could do much more with this, primarily by having more Goodfellas type landing pages, in which it's easier for me to prefer Goodfellas. And they can track and stay involved in the sale. They can be contacting Goodfellas and say, hey, this Mark Mitchell guy reached out to you. Tell us more about that. Anything we can do to help you. They can be reaching out to me, perhaps a water heater selection guide, any questions we can answer. So both Rheem and Goodfellas are involved in making the sale. So I really like what I'm seeing that Rheem is doing. And now I'm going to jump over and let's take a look at what GE is doing. So they're selling so many products. And so here we'll just look and say, I guess I'll start with water heaters. And I'll just pick, I don't know, electric, gas, smart, and tankless. So it might be good if I kind of had a, what do you need? Help me understand something. But they take me right to, here's 60 different water heaters, assuming I know what the hell I'm doing. And I don't, that a contractor or plumber does, but as a homeowner, I don't. So what I'm seeing here is need help, contact us, right? We're listening. As a trusted air and water partner, we've made a commitment to deliver real life solutions. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Contact us. Am I supposed to click on that? Nope. Are you a homeowner? Go to geappliances.com. Okay, now here I am back again with show availability in your area. See what this is going to do. This is not being very helpful. How can we help? Really? Boy, let's see. Okay, I'm not seeing where to buy. I'm seeing 82 different ways to contact us by, it looks like, email or phone. And so orders, questions about the appliances I own, service and repair, schedule service online. Boy, this just isn't speaking clearly to me. If I hit schedule service online, I'm not sure who I'm talking to here. I know it's probably not a GE person that's going to come. It's probably some sort of independent person. I have no idea. I don't know how that works for me. I do see up here, pardon me, find a store. Let's just go back, where to buy, major appliances. Okay. That's not, let's see, so I can look at refrigerators, cooking products, dishwashers, home washers, dryers, and other kitchen products. So where to buy doesn't help me if I want a water heater. So sorry, you're out of luck. So I think that, the biggest, issue that GE faces, as in many companies do, is they're trying to pack everything into one area, one website. And, a purchase of a water heater is either for new construction or it's the homeowner who has a problem right now and they want it fixed and they don't look like they're really here to help me make my life easier. Let's jump over to A.O. Smith here. And so here we see our response to COVID, looking for a water heater. Okay, that's a good one. Let's click on that. Now, okay, do I want the Pro line or the Signature series? Excuse me, I don't know the difference. Why are you asking me this question? Okay, Pro line available through local plumbing contractors across the country. Signature water heaters are exclusively through Lowe's. Wow. I mean, I can't imagine the percentage of sales that are Lowe's. I don't know, less than 10%. And they give it this level of importance and drive me to Lowe's. Maybe keep the Lowe's guy happy, but I'm not sure it's helping A.O. Smith. It's certainly not helping me. So I went and picked the Pro line, and I see where to buy Homeowners. Okay, so I like this Homeowners Professionals. And then let's take a look here at where to buy. And so boom, it's got my zip code, and it starts to show me ABC Enterprises, Greater Western Plumbing, D&M Plumbing. So they list a number of looks like plumbers, and then if I need several water heaters, okay, that's fine. But now so I'm looking once again. The map doesn't really mean anything to me because I'm not going to drive to ABC Enterprises. I just want to know they can service me. They can come to me as opposed to I can go to them. So here's this wasted space of a map. So now I do go and I click on ABC, and I am looks like I'm still within ABC AO. Not quite sure here, but it looks like I'm within. Yeah, I'm within AO Smith. So AO Smith knows I did this. If I want to get a quote, it goes to ABC as well as AO Smith. So AO Smith stays on top of things. Company overview, they could do a bit more with some photos, reviews, things like that. When if we're going to have a landing page, help me to decide. Rebate center, I'm not sure that's, I would, I'm not ready yet for a rebate. So once again, I think they're adding something that shouldn't be on here at this point. I think once they know that I've asked for a quote, that they can then say is a reason for a follow-up for AO Smith to follow up with me. Here's a list of, notice you're looking for a water heater. Here are some rebates we have right now on our current products. And, and I notice you're talking to ABC Enterprises. And so anyway, I think that, this one's is working certainly better than Whirlpool or GE. So I think we got Rheem and AO Smith both doing a good job, but that could be even better. So I hope that helps you to take a look at your own locator. And I guess the big takeaway I took from this is to step back and say, what's the situation? Is this a planned purchase or an emergency purchase? And if it's an emergency purchase, you might want to go ahead and acknowledge that. Like, I need a water heater right now, like at midnight, whatever time it is. And then also, I like both how Rheem and AO Smith have landing pages for their plumbers, contractors, and but they could be even filled out more, because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to choose who is the best one for me. I don't really want to interview or get quotes from 3 to 5 people. I want to see which person is going to get the job done for me that I trust. It's going to charge me a fair price. And the more information on those landing pages, the easier it is for me to make that decision. So I hope this has been helpful as you look at your own, how to improve your sales by improving your dealer, contractor, where to buy locator on your website. If you'd like me to review your product or category, let me know. Otherwise, we'll be back next week with another category.